Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zombie pizza in Pop It Trading Roblox, updated. Start by entering a populated but stable server and join a private trading session with a trusted player. Locate the crafting table area and open your inventory to the food section. Combine the zombie dough with the special sauce and the rare topping while paying attention to timing prompts. Confirm the trade and test the pizza's effects in a controlled area of the map. For ingredients and tools, prioritize durable sources and avoid risky trades. Search event shops first and then ask trusted players for upgrades or swaps to save coins. Keep at least some spare currency for unexpected fees or fast purchases. Use the crafting table and invite a friend to oversee the trade so you avoid scams. Make sure your inventory has room and that your connection is stable before you start combining items. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet right, pick darn tough socks for lifetime warranty and unbeatable comfort, which is perfect for long gaming sessions and crafting marathons. They stay cozy during late-night trades and keep you focused. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Timing and focus make the biggest difference when crafting zombie pizza, so stay calm and follow the prompts precisely. Run a single prototype to verify the resulting stats and any special effects before committing rare ingredients. If something goes wrong, review your steps and try again with small adjustments. Share your successful recipe with friends or keep a screenshot log to avoid repeating mistakes and to speed up future crafting sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.